Hello everyone. Let's talk about boosting your server or workstation performance. Today we're diving into the NEMIX RAM 128GB DDR4 2400 MHz ECC or DIMM kit. This isn't your average memory. It's designed for serious workloads in servers, workstations, and even NAS systems. NEMIX RAM focuses on enterprise-level memory, and this kit reflects that. We're talking about 8 16GB sticks, totaling a massive 128 GB. The DDR4 2400 MHz speed, while not the absolute fastest on the market, strikes a good balance between performance and compatibility for many systems. The PC4-19200 designation confirms its bandwidth capabilities. What sets this apart is the ECC, or Error Correcting Code, feature. This is crucial for servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. ECC memory detects and corrects memory errors on the fly, preventing crashes and data corruption. The DIMM, or Registered DMM, design further enhances stability and scalability in systems with multiple memory modules. The 1RX4 configuration refers to the memory rank and chip organization. In simpler terms, it's a design that optimizes performance and compatibility with a wide range of server and workstation motherboards. The 1.2V operating voltage is standard for DDR4, ensuring efficient power consumption. The CL17 latency is a typical timing for this speed of memory. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of installation, and generally, upgrading memory is a straightforward process. However, always consult your system's manual for specific instructions. Make sure your motherboard supports ECC registered memory before purchasing. NEMIX RAM backs its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks to their confidence in the quality and durability of their memory. They also offer IT support, which can be helpful if you encounter any compatibility issues or have questions about installation. If you're looking to maximize the performance and reliability of your server, workstation, or NAS, the NEMIX RAM 128GB DDR4 ECC or DIMM kit is definitely worth considering. It's a robust and reliable memory solution designed for demanding environments.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.